Well, here came the rack. So you gotta have some space, guys. This is not a small item. It's fully boxed in a wooden container. So it's not small, that's for sure. I'm gonna have to drop it off right here on the street, right across from my truck. And installation is gonna have to happen right over here. All right, so get ready for the unboxing. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Well, after about, I'd say, half an hour of some serious tools. I mean, we're talking crowbar, heavy duty hammer. We got this box open and there she is. Beautiful. It was packed very, very, very nice. As you can see, it was held down by screws that went through this little plate right there. So it wasn't moving at all inside. And then they got this nice, pool noodle kind of thing, foam that protects the rack on the side that it's sitting on from the wood. But all in all, it was packed very nice. But having said that, now I got to get rid of this packaging, and it's not small. It's not like you could fold a couple of pieces of cardboard boxes onto each other and then throw it in the trash. This is going to have to be hauled to the trash by a couple of guys or girls, and then thrown away. So this is how it comes packed. Really nice. Not a scratch on it as far as I can tell. Be careful opening it. Obviously I had to pound on it with the crowbar, get the nails out off the top, which is right here, and then gives you access to it. So there you have it. Now next we're gonna put it on top of the car.